I remember 11 years back when we were setting this company, 100 of us, we were very apprehensive. For the first time, private insurers were allowed in the country. I was thinking, how would the consumers, customers respond to this? But I'm proud to say, in 11 years' time, we have over 6% market share. We have made profits every year, the best return on equity to shareholders. We are a dominant player in the Indian insurance market. A very simple, small thing that we did. We took a lot of youngsters in this company. The average of the company today is just 29 years. And these youngsters, we gave them a lot of chance and opportunities to work in different departments, different fields, right from sales to marketing to underwriting, claims, HR. I'm so proud of each one of them that they did such a fantastic job. They picked it up so well. And today if you watch in the company, most of my departments or channels are headed by youngsters. In fact, the management trainee who joined us about 9 years back, she's already a vice president. The ones behind her are already assistant vice presidents, senior managers, handling critical positions in the company. And they are the ones who in the future will take this company to greater heights.
I joined Bajaj Allianz General Insurance in the year 2004 after completing my PGDBM from Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies, Pune.
I am a part of the 2006 management trainee batch. I did my PGDM from the Institute of Management Development and Research, Pune in 2006. On joining the organization, I was a part of the Mumbai regional office where I did my 6 months of management internship, in which I was put through all the departments and understanding the functioning of all of these departments.
I started my journey with Bajaj Allianz in the year 2008 as a management trainee after completing my masters from BIM HRD Pune.
I did my MBA from Army Institute of Management and I joined Bajaj Allianz as a management trainee in July 2010.
I got placed as a management trainee in Bajaj Allianz back in 2006 and 7 after having completed my MBA from the Army Institute of Management in Calcutta.
After completing my MBA from the Department of Management Science, University of Pune, I joined Bajaj Allianz as a management trainee in July 2006.
I completed my MBA in 2006 from Amity University, Noida, post which I got shortlisted for the Bajaj Allianz Management Trainee Program.
Management Trainee Batch 2009-10, passed out from Indra School of Business Studies, Pune. I joined Bajaj Allianz as a management trainee in Chennai office as my training grounds, which looked very terrifying in the starting, but believe me, that was a thorough learning experience.
I joined Bajaj Allianz in 2006. 6.5 years have been a long journey working in this organization, and it feels great to be here.
After our basic training in head office, I was moved to Chandigarh to handle an assignment in motor dealers as well as travel agents. 2011, I was redesignated as head of direct marketing for the company, wherein we are handling about 900 executives.
I had the opportunity now for the past few months to work in the head office bank insurance team, where I'm handling incentives, automation, training, etc. for Pan India.
I joined Chennai ARO for my initial training days, and once my training was completed, I got an opportunity to work in head office as a PMO for core group initiatives. This was a very big challenge for me and at the same time a very good learning opportunity.
I joined Pune regional office for my 6-month departmental training, post which I shifted to the direct marketing channel for a project in non-motor insurance with the focus on the health insurance vertical.
My first assignment here was in the bank insurance department, where I was the national coordinator for HDFC Bank, responsible for their sales and operations.
The management trainee program gave me an exposure to all the departments within the organization. My first assignment was with the corporate marketing team at Pune.
Upon joining, I was posted in the employee relations team in the corporate office here in Pune. Today, I handle recruitment Pan India, and I also handle a team of HR MIS and HR Analytics, which is again something that we set up back in 2008 and 9.
I joined Bajaj Allianz as a management trainee, where we were exposed to all the departments We got training in all the department concerned, and then we were entrusted to handle the biggest relationship of Bajaj Allianz, the HDFC Bank.
Our company as a whole is guided by the seasoned veterans from the industry and has a young team which takes care of the main business.
And the best part about this organization is it allows you to initiate certain initiatives that you want to take on your own, make mistakes and grow from there.
Currently, I am handling global accounts, which deals with various multinational insurance programs. This is a very challenging job, and I think just after completing 2 years of work, there is a very big opportunity for me.
I strongly believe that an important value that our organization inculcates in every individual, irrespective of the role or the department, is spirit of adventure. This value alone has developed me from an individual to a thorough professional and has helped me to develop skills ranging from the marketing, technical to the analytical, negotiation and decision-making skills.
The best part about the management trainee program is the exposure you get within all the departments of the company, starting from sales, operations, claims, and the opportunity you get to move within the departments and learn more.
At this young age, I got many important campaigns and events to handle, and all these new projects keep me excited and motivated to work harder and harder and overachieve myself each time. I have been extremely lucky to get the entire support and guidance of my seniors to prove myself each time.
These 4 years with Bajaj Allianz have been very enriching, where I have been able to essay different roles. I started as a sales personnel, and today I'm a part of the corporate communications team.
I'm proud and happy to be a part of this great organization.
As a company, we strongly believe in recruiting brilliant youngsters who have this passion, this drive to make it big, who would like to learn different departments, different fields, and take it head on. I'm looking for you. Join us. Take this company to greater heights. Love to welcome each one of you and mentor you personally. Thank you.